Welcome back to my online video series. At the end of this video, you should be able to add or subtract radius graphically. This diagram is a typical illustration how we can add and subtract a radius. Here we have a circle of radius big R, a second circle of radius M. Center of big circle is A. Here we have two circles, a circle of center A, a circle with center B. My first step is to establish a center line. I have established my center line. The next step is to transfer this circle to this center. To do that, I place my compass at the center A, extend it to circumference. Do the same thing here using O as center. The next step is to transfer the radius here using B as center. Again, I extend my radius to the circumference. Next step is to determine what I want to do. If I want to add or subtract that radius to this. If I decide I want to add radius 1 plus radius 2, radius 1 plus radius 2, this point becomes my center point. We can use any of these points at a point where the radius, where this radius line cuts line here. I would, if I wish to increase to add them, I would place my compass here, square an arc outside. So this distance from here to here is the added radius. It means therefore the total radius for this circle and that circle would be from O to M. If I wish to add these two radius, I would open my compass from B to the circumference, then using this point as center. If I wish to add both radius, I would place my compass here and scribe an arc outside. I will label this point B. O to B now becomes a sum of both radius of circle A and circle B. O to B. If I wish to subtract radius of B from A, I will again use here as center, and I would scribe it inward inside the circle. So this distance from here is the amount that I would have taken from the total radius. Total radius O to, let me label this point X, O to X. This should have been the radius of big R, and I subtract this from it. So this will be the remainder from here to there. Say for example I wish to draw a circle or an arc, big R subtract R, big R subtract R. I would place my compass here to this point and I will scribe an arc. If I wish to draw an arc or circle with radius big R subtract big R or R1 plus R2 or big R plus small r, I would have used 0 center, extend to B, scribe my arc. And that's basically it. So again, the key principle here is whenever you wish to add two radius, in some cases you can just draw a single line if you don't have a center line established, and you simply open your compass to the radius down here, and if you wish to add radius, we simply use the point where the random length line cuts the circumference, use that point as center, scribe outward. From A to B now becomes the sum of both radius. In like manner, if you wish to subtract the smaller radius from the large radius, using here as center, scribe inward. What is left? Let's label this Q. AQ would be the remainder. So we would use, if we should draw an arc or a circle, we would place our compass here as center, and we would scribe. Alright, so that's basically the principle of adding and subtracting radius.